everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to, I feel like I haven't filmed a clean with me in the longest time, and I've collected loads of like autumn kind of themed cleaning products, and I thought we could do a full house kind of speed clean, how I get things done really quick and easily, but also make it feel really nice and fresh after. I'm going to show you guys all the products that I got first, and then I like to start in the kitchen. I like to get a wash on first. Hello, did you wake it up? Hello my baby. Oh, you say hi. Hey, do you waving? Waving. Yeah. What is it?
What is it?
What is it? Is it a camera? Camera. Hi. What's that? It's a camera. Do you want to say hi? Hi. Do waving. What's that? Yeah, your cheeks are red, your teeth is hurting. So yeah, I'm going to show you all the products that I have first. It's also lunchtime, so Bradley's going to make a mess. I'm looking at the kitchen now, and Bradley went to Tesco's this morning and I've got stuff to put away. I was thinking, okay, shouldn't take me too long, it's fine. And now it's lunchtime. And Bradley, when he cooked, Daddy's a messy cook, isn't he? He's just very messy. So I think we'll be cleaning up with that as well, won't we? That's Daddy. What? It's available.
Well, it says early access.
Is it gonna focus? Oh my goodness. Because you got the app.
Your holiday favourites are here.
Oh, gingerbread.
Early. The wait is over.
Gingerbread. The plan is to start in the kitchen and then kind of make my way downstairs, slowly go upstairs, and then hopefully we'll have a nice fresh house for this weekend, and I'm really looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to like the clean smell. So yeah, what's Daddy doing? Anyway, do you want to get down? You can crawl everywhere now, can't you, Baba? You can get down. Look, I knew he'd be staring at this camera, and all they want to do is get the tripod, so I have to like hide it. Don't I? Come on then, come this way. Come on then, hi. Okay, so this is my cleaning selection. I know there's a lot, but I've been collecting things. It's also like autumn / winter, and I love and use all of these products. So they are very helpful, and I don't know what it is. I feel like seasonal things always get me because it makes me want to use them more, which I think is a good thing, because obviously having a nice clean home is just the best thing ever. So just got a flash dust magnet. These are so good, and you get 2 dust magnets in here as well. Scrub Daddy, these are amazing. When you use hot water, it goes really soft, and then if you use cold water, it goes really firm, basically like this. So if you've got any tough like dirt or whatever on your sink, or wherever you use this, it really helps to get it off. So these are really good. Glove, this minky, which is one of my new favourite minkies. It's just so good to like wipe the sides and stuff with. We've got some Febreze, Enchanted Forest. These are amazing for your bathrooms. This is Enchanted Forest, and then this one is Spiced Apple. They smell incredible, and you can also test it by scratching here as well. I also got Enchanted Forest in the plug-in, which I love. Obviously I keep these far away from the babies or anything, but it's kind of good to have when people walk into your house, and this is the first thing they can smell, which I love. Bamboo lint roller, this is good for like your bed frame, if you've got like a fabric bed frame or sofas or anything like that. Love these. This scent, White Musk and Golden Maple, is such a nice scent. So I got the Lenore fabric softener, and then also the InWash scent boosters. Love these. Also got it in, well, I think this is a pomegranate scent actually, but in the Fairy, which is just the best. Cozy Moments, this is one of my new favourites of Flora scents. It smells incredible. It's like winter with a hint of perfume, but also really like light and florally. Oh, I just love it. Winter Spice, this is a classic. This is like Christmas to me. I feel like this is the winter from the White Company, but cleaning edition, so I also got that in a spray as well, but I think I'll use Cozy Moments today. Stain remover for the carpet. This is a flash spray wipe, like a spray thing. I don't really know what you call it, but I wouldn't say this smells overly autumny, but I do really like it. Carpet foam deep cleaner. This is really, really good. I think you're meant to like put this on your carpet and then leave it. So I'm not sure if I'll get around to doing it today, but we'll see. And yeah, that's it. I also got this, which is really good for like grout and stuff like that. And this is my little autumn cleaning selection. So yeah, this is the whole collection. I'm also today gonna pack away, which I'm really sad about, all of the autumn decor. So we have a week or so without any decor, which, hello, what are you doing? They honestly just love crawling everywhere. Hello. Hi.
What you do, cheeky?
Is brother still asleep? Yeah, I'm packing away all the autumn decor, which I'm so sad about because this has definitely been my favourite. It's just felt really cozy, but yeah, I think just packing all the autumn stuff away. So we have a week or so without any, and then it's obviously time to decorate for Christmas, which is just absolutely crazy and so exciting. So yeah, there's obviously loads of autumn stuff on there as well. I also need to put away this shopping. So yeah, there's a lot to do, and Bradley's also making lunch. So it's going to be very messy, but we'll get it all clean today. As I like to start every single cleaning day by putting a wash on, because I feel like it gives it time to kind of do its thing, and then usually once you finish cleaning, you then have time to put it out after. So I always like to put a wash on first. And guys, the scent of these products are incredible. My whole washing smelled amazing after, so you need to get them if you can.
Cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn.
Next thing on the list is to fold any washing away and basically just start on the kitchen. It was really, really cluttered and it was really making my mind feel really messy. So I was just trying to eliminate as much as I could, putting washes away and obviously starting on the kitchen as well.
We'll always remember how it felt.
So here I'm just cleaning up from lunch. Basically, we are obsessed with brie, bacon and cranberry, but it is a very messy lunch to make. I think this time of year we get really, really festive, so that is definitely one of our favourite treat lunches. I'm also just cleaning the George Foreman because this is how Bradley makes it. George Foremans are actually so easy to clean, so I don't mind doing this job because I actually find it really satisfying once it's all done. And then I'm also going to start putting my autumn decorations away, which I'm really, really sad to see, but obviously I'm going to pack them away all lovely and nice for next year. And then I'm going to start on the dishwasher. Our dishwasher is in our utility room, by the way, which is so frustrating. So I basically just pull the trays out of the dishwasher, and I find it so much easier doing it on the island, and then I can just pop the trays back after. So yeah, this is how I do it. And then I'm just obviously reloading the dishwasher as well and getting started with washing bits and bobs up in the sink. Cozy Moments from Sephora. Oh my goodness, this is my new favourite Sephora scent. If you haven't smelt it, then you need to. So this blue bucket here is for the twins' bibs and all of that kind of stuff. So once they've finished eating and I've washed up the bibs, I always like to anti-bac them just to make them obviously smell lovely and anti-backed. And then moving on to the sink, I find this is one of my favourite jobs ever, using Cif and a Scrub Daddy just together, and obviously putting some elbow grease into it makes your sink so shiny and so clean. I am just obsessed. So if you haven't tried this, then definitely do, because yeah, it makes your sink the cleanest ever.
Still thinking about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see, the best thing in this life's for free.
Using Cozy Moments again, I'm just going to pop this in the sink with our hot water, and I'm going to get a microfiber minky cloth, and this is such a good way just to clean any sides in your kitchen. I also do this on the cupboards, like literally anything, because not only does it anti-bac it makes your house smell incredible, and I just find it so good. And I also put any sponges in there as well, just to disinfect as well. So yeah, this is one of my favourite things to do, and I do this every single day because I just love it, and I love everything to be amazing and clean and sparkly, and it's just the best. So this kettle needed a little bit of TLC. I saw at the top, and you'll see in a minute when I change angles, you can see there's like a line, and loads of crumbs of like bread and toast and stuff was getting into it. So I just found a stick and managed to get it all out, and it looked brand new. I'm also just getting rid of the tray of all the crumbs, which I find so satisfying and just really, really clean after. And then just moving on to the hob, using Cif as always and my Scrub Daddy, and just going to get rid of any sort of grime and dirt and all of that kind of stuff. And also taking the handles off is so much easier to clean this way because you're not knocking them all the time. I just find it so much easier.
They will never come back again, but I'm happy as can be.
Time to pack away my beloved autumn coffee station, which I'm so sad about, but I also like to have sort of a refresh from my autumn decor until Christmas time, maybe like a week in between, just to have a little bit of a refresh, have the house sort of back to normal. Then I feel like I'm all ready to decorate for Christmas.
When I'm with you now, through the autumn and the winter snow, keep telling all the friends we know that I'm with you now.
This flash duster is one of my favourite things to use, so we can use this in a second, but I just wanted to show you how you sort of fluff it out. So I have some boxes on the island here that I'm just packing all my autumn decor away in, all ready for next year, which I know is going to come around so fast.
And sing, I'm with you.
So time to finish on the sink. I'm just washing up any sort of final touches, and then I also like to use the Flora and this window, it's like a window cloth. It's so good at making things really shiny and sparkly, and I'm just wiping my like soap and things like that. This is all from the White Company, by the way, and I love it so much. It just smells incredible. But yeah, how much better does the sink look? It just feels so clean and fresh. And then to finish everything off in the kitchen, of course, I'm going to fill the sink up with hot water again and soak all the sponges in Zaflora. So not only does this disinfect the sponges, but this makes your whole house smell like Zaflora. And it's just one of my favourite cleaning hacks, and has been for years and years. So the autumn display on my island is going, and I'm just going to clean the island, disinfect it with Zaflora, and then get some new roses out. Just a really, really simple sort of island display, just to make it feel nice and fresh. Like I said, ready for Christmas.
You would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time to
The bane of my life is cleaning high chairs. I feel like I do it about a million times a day, but it's just part of the job with being a mum. So I'm just cleaning these, putting these away just so they're kind of out of my eyesight. I wish I got stacking high chairs because obviously with 2 babies, they just take up so much room. So yeah, do wish I got stacking ones, but you live and you learn. Also on my bookshelf here, I have a lot of autumn decor, so I'm just packing that away again, ready for next year, giving it a dust with my magnet duster, which is honestly the best thing ever. And yeah, saying goodbye to autumn, which I'm really sad about, but I can't even explain to you guys how excited I am for Christmas this year. Oh, it makes me so happy.
I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back.
These Febreze plugins are one of my favourite hacks to sort of eliminate any odours, especially when you have dogs. I feel like when you have dogs, you're kind of immune to the smell, and I'm really paranoid about it. So I like to use these obviously where the twins can't reach them and stuff like that, and in very open space. So I like to use those every now and then. And then moving on to the living room, I'm just giving it a little bit of a spruce up, tidy up. I'm having a deep organisation in here really soon, which I'm so excited about. Again, ready for Christmas.
I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that.
And then to finish off downstairs, I am just going to clean the bathroom. So I'm just using some Zaflora sort of bathroom spray. This is so good. I love how it foams up instantly. It's honestly one of my favourite products to use, and it makes everything smell so clean and just really fresh and floral. That's what I was meant to say. So yeah, I love this so much. And also my Febreze, it's like an Era, which I'm holding here. Honestly, life hack for bathrooms. It makes everywhere smell incredible.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right.
So to finish off the bathroom, I'm just popping my air freshener in, and then last thing I'm doing is putting a bottle wash on. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I was going to film the upstairs, but I had no time today, so I thought this video is better to go live than nothing. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're looking forward to all my Christmas content coming up this weekend. Bye.
Let my fingers walk over your